Skyworth has introduced a new gaming monitor in China, the G27Q Pro. It features a 27-inch 1440p display and a high refresh rate, and it will be available for an introductory price of 1,099 yuan, roughly $162, when pre-sales begin on June 8th. The monitor uses a 2K 2560 by 1440 fast IPS panel with a native refresh rate of 260 Hz, which can be overclocked to 275 Hz. It has a standard 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time and 178-degree viewing angles. To manage screen tearing, it supports adaptive sync and is compatible with both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync. Skyworth also included its Motion Clarity Engine Pro, a backlight control feature intended to reduce motion blur, alongside a 10-level adjustable overdrive setting so users can manually tweak the response time to match their frame rates. For color, the G27Q Pro covers 97% of the DCI-P3 gamut, 100% of sRGB, and 94% of Adobe RGB. Skyworth says that each monitor is factory-calibrated to a delta E of less than 1, which should result in accurate out-of-the-box colors. The monitor includes several specific color profiles, such as Rec.709 and BT.2020, making it usable for basic photo and video editing alongside gaming. It has a peak brightness of 570 nits, a 1400:1 static contrast ratio, and an HDR 400 certification. There are several built-in software features for gaming, including genre-specific presets for FPS, RPG, and MOBA titles, as well as crosshairs, shadow boosting, and sniper zoom modes. It also has a setting that simulates a smaller 24.5-inch screen for players who prefer a tighter field of view. For daily use, it includes an ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts brightness and color temperature, hardware-level low blue light reduction, an anti-glare matte coating, and DC dimming to prevent screen flicker. Port selection includes 2 DisplayPort 1.4 connections, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. To hit the maximum 1440p at 275 Hz, you will need to use the DisplayPort connections, as the HDMI 2.0 bandwidth will cap out lower. The included stand is fully adjustable, allowing for 130mm of height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and a 90-degree pivot for portrait orientation. The monitor weighs 4.9 kilograms with a stand and supports 75 by 75mm VESA mounting.